At the moment, there's really good work going on around children's social care data. So there's a bit more of a tradition, if you like, around children's data being used for lots of interesting research questions. The gap is adult social care. And one of the things that we talked a lot about with people at Administrative Data Research Wales and with the SAIL Data Bank is not that we don't have enough researchers wanting to ask questions, but we don't have the data. And the way we think we can help get the data is be an ambassador for acquiring data from local authorities, from providers, from third sector organisations. So a lot of that is about demonstrating the benefits. How do you convince people that they should hand over their data from their organisation to help answer questions? The more research is done, the more people recognise the value of sharing their data, therefore more research can be done, and so it just builds from there.
When people talk about linked data, what they mean is they talk about two or more different data sources that could be from the same system, same organizations, or different organization systems or platforms that are joined together, whether that's by the individual level, whether it's at a residential level, so that you can start looking at the interactions between different services or different types of data to start learning more about somebody or where they live or the type of services that they utilize. So the SAIL Data Bank stands for the Secure Anonymized Information Linkage Data Bank. So SAIL is a trusted research environment. It's essentially a place where lots of data comes together in a secure and anonymized way.
My name's Neil Yates. I work for an organisation called Mirrors. We collect an awful lot of data ourselves, but actually we see that in isolation. So how can we use that then with things that are being collected, for example, by SAIL? I think is a real opportunity for us to kind of connect up, share what we're doing, learn from others, and to develop services that are meeting the needs of communities. It would also help organisations like ourselves in terms of our resources in collecting data, because a lot of the data that is collected by frontline managers. So it actually takes time out of their day when they could be focused on their own service development.
My name is Tara Hughes. I'm the research officer in Social Care Wales. I'm redeployed here from Swansea University. We're part of the ADR Wales Social Care Theme team. My main priority is to promote the sharing of data across adult social care for onward research opportunities, particularly linked data research. We're setting up a researcher group because we want to create like a supportive space for researchers. So at points we might bring together other stakeholders with researchers, and that's why the relationship with Social Care Wales is so important, because Social Care Wales is so highly respected across adult social care. With their connections, we'll be able to put stakeholders and researchers together to carry out research that really matters.
It's been really eye-opening, actually, the amount of data that is already available in Wales and how that could be better shared, and that how the research community is very welcoming of people like me from very good third sector organisations that are working very hard to help with the transformation and the rebalancing of the social care sector in Wales.
As the ADR research officer based between ADR Wales and between Social Care Wales, it is my role to actually go out and foster relationships with the stakeholders and with the data owners in order to promote and be an advocate for data linkage research. Linked data is routinely collected data from a range of different organisations. That could be from health data, police data, that can be governmental data, which can then be linked together in order to find trends which can be across an entire population, which for us can provide us with a much wider picture for policy making decisions. I am beyond excited about what the future holds for the Adult Social Care Linked Data Research Project. People are so energetic, so excited, and we are sharing that excitement and understanding the importance of the role that linked data research has to change adult social care services and adult social care policies in Wales.